Hello everyone, welcome to our Excel tutorial. Today I will be demonstrating the show formulas feature in Excel, which is incredibly helpful for understanding and debugging complex spreadsheets. Firstly, I have input a basic data set containing the items, their respective quantities, their prices, and the total amount. As you can see, the total column is calculated by multiplying the quantity with the respective price. Now let's say you want to review the formulas behind this calculation. We have total for each of these items. The minimum price value is the item 3. As you can see, the price value for item 3 is 8 and the maximum price value is for item 4 because the maximum amount is for item 4, which is 20. So we want to know how do we get the formula for calculating each of them. Traditionally, you must be clicking on any of these cell and you can see the formula is written here. But if we want to know the formula applied in each and every cell for our calculation, we move on to the formulas tab here and then we click here and then we come here and we see an option called show formulas. Just click on that and now you can see all the respective formulas written here. This feature is immensely beneficial when you are trying to identify errors, audit formulas, or simply understand the logic behind your calculations. Besides this, you can also turn on the Show Formulas feature by clicking on CTRL plus backtick. Again, I press CTRL plus backtick. I see the Show Formulas, and when I click on CTRL plus backtick, the Show Formulas disappear. And that's how the Show Formulas feature in Excel can help you better understand and troubleshoot your spreadsheet. Feel free to use this feature to enhance your Excel experience and improve your workflow. Thank you.